Hello guys, this is my performance-based assessment 2 finals. So for today is I give an example of how to implement and use data collection and gathering in everyday life. So here the data collection in my daily life in transportation fee and foods. So we're going to organize the data collection from lowest to highest scores or number. So we get in the data collection of the highest and the lowest. So the highest in the data collection is which is the 54 and the lowest is the 10. So we minus the 54 minus 10, it equals to 54 divided by interval, which is the interval is 8, equals to 5.5 or 6. To get the scores, we find the lowest scores, which is the 10. So the lowest plus interval, which is the 8, so 18. 18 plus 8, which is 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. 34 plus 8, 42. 42 plus 8 is 50. To get the 17, we minus in 1 the 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. 26 minus 1 is 25. 34 minus 1 is 33. 42 minus 1 is 41. 50 minus 1 is 49. 49 plus 8, 8 which is the interval, equals to 57. To get the tally, we find the each scores in the data collection. So 10, which is this 10, we need to tally. 13, 13, get the frequency, we total the tally. 5, 6, 7. 7, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, and 3. To get the x, we add the lowest scores and the highest score, which is the 10 plus 17 and divide in 2. It is 13.5 and so on so far. To get the fx, we multiply the f and the x, which is 7 times 13.5 equals to 94.5 and so on so far. To get the lower boundaries is the lowest scores, which is the 10 minus 0.5, which is equals to 9.5. To get the cumulative frequency is copy the frequency, which is 7, and add the next frequency, which is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 4 equals to 15. 15 plus 8 equals 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 3 equals to 30. So we add the frequency, which is 30. We add the fx, which is equals to 41. To get the mean, we get the total of the frequency and scores, which is the 941, and the total of frequency, which is the 30. So we divide the 941 divided by 30 equals to 31.37. To get the total frequency divided by 2, so 30 divided by 2, it equals 15. To get the lower boundary is median class, it is in the circle of the lower boundary, which is the 25.5, and the cumulative frequency, it is before the 15, so it is 11. So the frequency median class is in the circle of the median, in the frequency, which is the 4, and the class width, it is the interval, which is 8. So to get the mode, we find the highest frequency, which is the 8. So we circle. Bilugan natin siya. To get the D1, we minus the 8 before the 8, and the 4 minus 8 equals to 4. And then the D2, it is the after the 8, which is the 8 minus 4 equals to 4. So the D2 is 4. So here the formula how to get the mode. So this is the lower boundary is middle class, which is the 33.5, and then it is the D1, and then the D2 plus, and then the D1 plus D2 is 4, copy 4, and 4 plus 4 equals to 8, and then copy the CW, which is the interval, which is the 8. So 4 divided by 8, it equals, and times 8, it equals to 4. So the lower boundary is plus 4, it is 37.5. The final